Hello viewers, we are from Marwadi Education Foundation Entrepreneurship Shell, and we are here for the task of founding a new venture. Here we have with us our partner and owner of dosa.com, which is a new venture and very famous one, currently developing. It has been a year since this venture started. Now, sir, what is your name?
Nirav.
Nirav Kansagra. This is Mr. Nirav Kansagra. He is one of the partners of the 4 partners who started this venture. And sir, what did you pursue? What are your educational qualifications?
Yeah, before starting off, I would like to thank you guys that you are making this documentary type of thing. And considering that dosa.com is, we are capable of delivering such love and food. First of all, thank you guys. And among our 4 partners, 2 of us are engineers like you guys. They have pursued their engineering in civil engineering. They are civil engineers. And 2 of us are masters in pharmacy. Basically, a lot of people, they tend to ask me one question that you are coming from such background, then why have you opted for, this field? Because generally in Rajkot, or I should say in Saurashtra, the trend is that people with, maybe not from bachelor's even, they have not studied even bachelor's and they are running restaurants just for sake of making money.
Yeah.
But the starting phase of dosa.com, basically we are 4 friends, not 4 partners. Partners, I guess it's actually not the right word. We are 4 friends. And 4 friends, which all of us are foodies. We all are foodies and we love food. I have spent my 4 years. During my bachelor's, I have completed my bachelor's in pharmacy from Bangalore. So this whole concept of dosa, actually, it was running in my mind since 2008-9. That I wanted to, create some new taste and invent new varieties of dosa, that one can serve paneer chili in dosa even. Right now we are serving more than 60 varieties of dosas, and including ice cream dosas, chocolate dosas, sandwich dosas. There are various varieties of dosas. One thing I want to say to you guys is, there is nothing like education, and you have completed your education in this field, so you should, you have to, because generally parents, they tend to force us that you have invested such amount of time and money in pursuing pharmacy or civil engineering or doctor or whatever. Then why don't you go to Ahmedabad or cities like Baroda and find a good job and have a marriage after 2 years and have a settled life. One thing I have learned in my life is there is no necessity for doing something for sake of doing. If you are not interested in doing it, then it's useless. It's my appeal to everyone watching this video, including you 4 guys who are making this video, that please go and tell people that India is a free country and we are free. If we are interested in doing any business, then there is no bar. Like there were people, at the start of this business, there were people who were saying that you are putting your foot in a wrong way and you are not going the convenient way. I should say the convenient way. People say that you are having 20,000 jobs, and after completion of my masters, I went to engineering college and I had a good job, I had a good salary, and people around there, they used to say that you are making the biggest mistake of your life, that you are leaving this job. But I was confident enough that I would make more money than I'm making in job. At and I would be happy after whatever I'm doing.
The last ultimate goal is being happy.
And I am a firm believer that if you are doing something that you love, ultimately you will end up making more money than just boring 8 to 5 office time jobs. It's you. This firm actually about I will not take much of your time. Actually, this firm was started with idea of serving something extravagant quality food at an affordable price. The thing is that there were several restaurants. I would not name them. There are few big players in this field. But in the starting phase, we were confident that with what quality and service, what we are coming and what we are ready to give at what price, I was damn sure that we would succeed at that point of time. After a year and a half or so, we are getting really good response from Rajkotians. They are loving our dosa, and we have won the best South Indian restaurant award recently. It was
you also got
held
that
by
Red
Indian.
FM, yeah.
We got that Thappa award from Red FM.
Sir, means how basically this idea means you had this idea for years in your mind, but how this development of idea began and how you decided that we four friends will start this and will manage it.
After I was giving my exam, my master's exam, me and one of my friends, Sanjay. Just like you guys, we are four friends. We were sitting at some coffee place and having a cup of tea. And then one of my partners, he was in estate business. Basically, he is a civil engineer, so he was in estate business. He used to say, यार चलो कुछ करते हैं, कुछ नया करते हैं. Then I had this dosa idea in my mind, so I placed this idea in front of my partner. I said that let's do something tricky in dosas, something novel, something inventive, and let's surprise people that they are coming with such varieties of dosas. That dosas can be served with paneer chili, can be served in sandwich flavor, can be served in ice cream flavor, can be served in chocolate flavor. And, as I said, we were four friends, so they said, come on, let's do it. And we started for searching for place, because especially in Rajkot, having such place, it's a headache. You won't find such place at low cost. So we got help from our family members and some friends, and then finally we decided that this is the place. Yeah, we want to execute our idea.
In this business, location also matters a lot. And then economy we have to see also.
Because financial part, and there are many financial issues. We have spent our, I would say, in the month of April or May last year, 2015. In the month of April, we rented this place. After my rent was already started in the month of April, and we have invested over 2 months in researching about dosas. In those 2 months, we have created many flavors of dosas, like seasoning from the ingredients, what would be the gravy, how batter would be, and what would be it looks like, and how would be the decoration, and how would be serving, and how will manage the serving staff. Then we were not management students, but actually we learned all this process in 2 months. And then we spent our 2 months in actually, I would say, in R&D. R&D is a subject related to medicine and doctorates. Even engineers are doing R&D. But we have done R&D for 2 months in dosa only. Specialization in dosa. Yeah, although the fact is that we haven't got any certificate for doing R&D, but right now I think you four people standing near me, that is the biggest certificate for me. After that 2 months, people used to say that you are spending such amount of rent and the expense of all these things, and you are wasting your money and wasting your time just doing, just things. They were like, you are doing deep work, wasting your time. We just honored them. We were confident that after 2 months, the people they used to, right now who are saying that you are wasting your time, they have to come at my restaurant to have such great dosas. I was quite confident about it. And, right now you won't believe me, but all these people who were saying like you are disgusting and it's a useless thing, and they are coming mostly each and every week. They are coming and having our dosas. I'm not even giving them discounts. I'm just kidding. But on a serious note, it is that we were quite confident at that time.
You are very confident to pursue a totally different field.
Yeah.
You were from an education background, plus you had a job.
Yeah.
Still you pursued this and got really good. Sir, why the name dosa.com? Who came up with this idea among your 4 friends?
I'm not. I should not. It's a top secret actually. My friends they used to call me Kedor because my surname it starts with Kamsat. So they used to call me Kedor. The reason behind that that is not. I should not say in front of camera. The reason behind the K.com story. And one fine day, after we decided that I was like, there is no such names in South Indian food which starts with dosa. So I was sure that I want to start my restaurant name with dosa. So my friend he called me, hey K.com, why don't you come up with some good name? Then something clicked in my mind, and I just I edged both these things and dosa.com. So the idea behind dosa, the story, this is the story behind dosa. As soon as I had that thought in my mind, the very next day I was sitting with one CA who is doing all these trademarks and patents and all these things. He is actually a friend of mine. So I explained my idea of this restaurant and having such varieties of dosas, and like, we are coming with so much varieties in dosas. And I explained all my vision in front of him. So he said, first thing you need to do is just trademark the name dosa.com, because actually he loved the name dosa.com. He loved it. His 4.5-year son still, when he sees me, he says, hey, this is dosa.com uncle. Still, till this date, he used to say, this is dosa.com. He loved this name, and
you are also famous with the name.
with the dosa.com name. Yeah. First I was with K.com.
Now you are also with dosa.com.
The very next day we trademark of this name. After doing trademark, we started this business. Because we didn't want any copycats to come in this business and open one new dosa.com or XYZ, whatever the name they would come up with, just any mural or any idea. I was like, after starting this business, I spent 15 days just for the, I would call my friends and my family members, my partners, and we all friends. They would come here and have a taste of dosas, and they used to give us feedback and their reviews actually. They used to give us their reviews that you need to change sambar, you need to have, these dosas are very sweet, these are spicy. You had to neutralize the taste and come up with the, finally ultimately you have to come up with the taste that customers would expect. So finally we finalized our all 54 varieties. We started with 54 varieties. Right now we are having more than 60 varieties. The recent dosa R&D I would like to tell you. We have added one dosa called cheese silencer dosa in our menu. Cheese silencer dosa. The name is, when someone heard the name, they would say, why you kept the name of dosa cheese silencer dosa? What is the story behind silencer? At one day, a friend of mine, he loves spicy food. He just loves it. And he came to my restaurant and I offered him 2-3 dosas and he had it. And he was like, you are not having any spicy varieties of dosas in your menu. He gone through our menu. I was like, let's do it. So me and my friend, we are sitting and we added 2-3 spicy ingredients in a sada dosa. And we had 2-3 days, we went through R&D and what should be finally we were like, we want to do something inventive with the shape of this dosa. So
Now the dosas, plain dosa come in head shape and
plain dosas coming in head shape. And for silencer dosa, we were like, people should know from the name itself only that the dosas would be spicy.
yes.
They would get idea. As soon as I say cheese silencer, then you will have that idea that this must be a spicy one. So after the R&D and all these things completed, we wanted to serve it in something extra. That we want to make the shape. We don't want to go with. We didn't wanted to go with that convenient shape of dosa that come in round shape plate. We were like, my partner, he saw silencer of bike. I have Pulsar. So he saw shape of that silencer. So he was like, let's flip it over and make it like a head shape. We came up with that silencer dosa. So first the name was only silencer dosa.
Okay.
After making all these shapes and the gravies and ingredients and all this were completed, I called my that friend and I invited him for dinner at my restaurant. And I tasted it in the silencer shape. So he was like, "अरे यार, आ तो बहुत तीखू है, आऊँ ना खाई सकूँ." I had a new challenge in front of me that people would not accept this thing because for accepting you have to eat dosa.
Yeah.
After having one bite, he was like, I can't have it. One of my partner, Sanjay, he came up with the idea that we should add cheese. Or we should add finely, grinded cheese on the dosa. So what ultimately that will do is, that will neutralize the spiciness of the ingredient and people will love the dosa. And finally we added cheese. That we garnished all the dosas in cheese and then finally flip it over in a silencer shape. And finally we added the dosa in menu. And right now, you won't believe, but out of 15 orders, 2 or 3 would be cheese silencer dosa. And the same story is behind chocolate dosa. We didn't had any very sweet dosa. So my nephew, he used to say that I want to have one sweet dosa. I want to have. So we came up with cheese chocolate fantasy dosa.
Okay.
Yes, we are always we are open for all the feedback from our customers, and we used to ask the reviews that what are the changes you would like to make in
So
this
some
dosa.
dosas are development of others ideas or anything.
Yeah. It's saying that necessity is the mother of invention.
Yes.
So
Definitely, you fit that very
yeah.
well.
So this gentleman, if he said that I want something that comes with ice cream in dosa. So we came up with the idea of ice cream dosa. Right now it's not in menu. We are doing R&D in our ice cream dosa, and in near future, I'm sure we'll complete it within 4 to 5 days. And in near future, you will see that ice cream dosa in our menu. We are having more than 4 or 5 varieties of ice cream dosa.
Sir, any plans to go online to compete?
Actually, we are coming up with this whole franchisee idea. Right now, our franchisee is opening in 31st of January in Jaipur. I would mail you all the details of my franchisee terms and conditions. Right now, we are flooded with inquiries for franchisee, but I want to make sure that dosa.com brand should be in safe hands.
Yeah.
Because right now it's a small child. You have to vaccinate the child and you have to feed child with your hand. You have to take care of the child when child is of 2-3 years. After 4-5 years, he will manage him by himself or herself. So right now, we are going slowly but surely.
Yeah.
Right now we are not, doing that exaggerated and aggressive marketing stuff and all this. We have to go surely, but slowly but surely. So right now we are coming up with one franchisee in Jaipur. After a month we are planning the franchisee in Gandhidham, and there are 4 inquiries for Rajkot and Ahmedabad and Jamnagar and Morbi franchisee. So right now, actually we are not in the we are not with such tendency that we'll take money from franchisee fee from the franchisor and start their business. We are coming with one of very new concept. Even I would say even big players in the food industry, they haven't come up with this idea. We would be the first. Ultimately, it's under R&D, so I would not discuss about this because we want to patent our product under Indian Patent Act. So I would think this is the not right platform and right time to discuss this. After completion, you will be know by yourself only that. After 4 to 5, after 4 or 4.5 months, we will complete our R&D and research all these things. We are coming with one new technique and one new idea of serving dosa. That you will not have to wait for even 5 minutes for having your dosa. Your dosas would be cooked and ready to eat in 2 or 2.5 minutes. Any of the dosa. Otherwise, making dosas and all this, there is no automation in this industry. We are coming up with one new idea so that your food would be served in 2-3 minutes. You will enjoy and have it and go home in 10 to 15 minutes. That's all.
Sir, how is your experience with the customers when you serve them? What are their reviews? What you learn about when they say that we don't like this product or we like this dosa very much. So what are your learnings from positive and negative reviews both? Because ultimately it depends on customers.
You made a really valid point. Ultimately, this business is all about customer satisfaction. Until and unless your customer is not happy, you are doing something wrong. If you are having dosa, it may have took 15-20 minutes to came, then you will be angry like I'm hungry and right now these people are making me wait for a single dosa for 20-25 minutes. So you will be like, I don't want to have dosas next time in dosa.com. I would go to some other place. You will switch your restaurant. There are so many people who are like, your dosas are great, the taste is really awesome, but it takes time. it takes 10 to 15 minutes to. So right now we have increased our manpower, the servicing power, all these things we have improved. There was no question about quality of product. The only problem was with our service. And, right now we have came up with a solution. We have staff of 2-3 dozen people who just work only behind service. We are having 3-4 managers, and it costs us, but let it be. If customers are ultimately, if they are happy, then there is nothing much we need.
So you are nurturing this business since it was a startup and now it's established. We can say that it is one of the best restaurants in Rajkot. So will you give some advice to the young entrepreneurs like us that what they should keep in mind to just have a startup and reach at this stage?
First thing I would like to tell that I am no one to give advice to anyone on any issue, because it's your thought. If I have purchased this phone, according to me this phone is suitable for me, it may not be suitable for you. So I would say go for customization. If you love something, then go and do it. That's it. There is nothing like there is no way for success or there is
Specified part.
there is no specification that if you follow this path, then you will reach to something. There is no specification for that. I would go by that way, you would go by that way, but ultimately we have to reach our goal. That is it. That's all.
Thank you very much, sir. It was very
Thank
nice
you, and
talking to you.
pleasure having you guys, and
Pleasure was all ours.
we have such entrepreneurs in our Rajkot city, and we have to meet them. It's our happiness. It's our
We are learning new things. We are meeting new people.
by God grace and our hard work.